I'm Maria, and today we're going to talk about what you need to know to be a Laravel developer. Laravel is an excellent framework for web applications as it helps developers build projects quickly and easily. So naturally, the demand for Laravel developers is only expected to grow over the next few years. In this video, you'll learn what you need to know to become an expert Laravel developer. But before we get too far, I want to let you know that there will be links to more resources in the video's description. And remember, subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future helpful content. Now, what is Laravel? Laravel is a development framework used to create websites and web applications. Laravel's most popular features include its complete authentication system, which helps developers work securely. Object Relational Mapping, or ORM, helps developers use tables more efficiently. The library of modules aids developers as they build apps without writing code. The Command Line Interface, or CLI, with pre-built commands is used for building, fixing, and testing applications. Automatic testing helps developers speed up the testing process. And the virtual development environment provides developers with a homestead and all the tools they need to build applications. Suppose you're an experienced developer looking for a career change. In that case, you may already have many of the skills covered in the What Skills Are Needed to be a Laravel Developer section. However, if you're new to the development world, you'll need to build your skills from scratch. With that in mind, let's cover how to become a Laravel expert. First, you're going to need to learn how to build web applications with PHP. To learn PHP, we recommend starting with a PHP tutorial. Tutorials are a fantastic way to learn PHP, as they'll give you a complete overview of PHP and how it works. Once you've completed a PHP tutorial, you'll need to read the official documentation written by PHP's creators. This documentation will help you install PHP and master its basic syntax. The manual also covers PHP security, features, and many frequently asked questions, so it's a resource you'll want to keep on hand throughout your career. Finally, you'll need to download a PHP editor so you can create your PHP projects. Next, you'll want to learn more about Laravel through online tutorials. As Laravel is a popular framework, there are plenty of websites, videos, and podcasts you can learn from. You'll also need to read through the official Laravel documentation guide during this stage of your learning. Once you've started learning about PHP and Laravel, you'll want to join the Laravel community. Engaging with other users within the community will help build your skills and knowledge by reading posts from other community members. There are many ways to get involved in the Laravel community. You can follow gurus like Taylor Otwell on social media, or join the most popular Laravel forums and subreddits. The Laracast's forums, which are full of questions from Laravel developers. Laravel.io, which helps developers solve problems and share knowledge. The Laravel tag on Stack Overflow, which allows developers to solve problems. And the Laravel Reddit channel, r/Laravel, which includes Laravel news, questions, discussions, and tutorials. Next, you'll want to start building your Laravel development skills by creating small-scale Laravel applications. While you can learn a lot of great information by watching tutorials, trial and error is the best way to hone your development skills. It would help if you started a portfolio during this stage. Portfolios are a fantastic investment of your time, as you can use the portfolio to demonstrate your Laravel skills to potential employers. The best developer portfolios are straightforward and contain an About Me section, a list of your skills, and up to 3 of your best projects. For each project you include, make sure you add a description of it, some screenshots of the development process, and a live link to the project. This will help your future employers see your development process. Once you've developed your Laravel skills and built a portfolio, you're ready to look for work as a Laravel developer. You'll need to redesign your resume to reflect your new skills during this stage. You'll also want to be developed in the following skills: web development, database management, project management, PHP experience, website design, Laravel application development knowledge, web security knowledge, and MVC architecture knowledge. You should also add any intrapersonal and interpersonal skills you have to your resume as well, like communication, good time management, teamwork, and problem solving. After building your resume, it's time to apply for jobs. Companies looking for Laravel developers use job boards like Indeed, Glassdoor, Career Builder, Monster, and Laravel-specific job boards like Lara Jobs. Finally, don't forget to continuously build your skills throughout your time as a dedicated Laravel developer. To keep your skills growing, make sure to always ask for feedback from your peers. Take on new and challenging projects, and stay up to date with new versions of Laravel. Looking for a quality local development solution? With About Kinsta, in a single click, you can design, develop, and deploy new WordPress projects from your local machine. Plus, it's 100% free to use, even if you aren't a Kinsta customer. Download it today at kinsta.com/devkinsta. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.